If you're paying for lighting to be done on your house, for low voltage lighting like this, stop doing that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the Dewenwills. This is a 300 watt low voltage transformer. So if you're doing landscape lights, this is the time of year that everyone does and spruces up their yard and the look of the front of their home, the back of their house for, you know, entertaining and things along those lines. This is a 2-zone 300 watt transformer. You won't need anything more than that. I mean, you can run so many lights off it with all the low voltage lights. They're being about 5 watts each. This is 300 watts. Think of how many lights you can run with that. You can see the 2 zones at the bottom here. This is a really nice and easy transformer to hook up. You can see zone 1. You just have to really unscrew and screw the screw back in to the low voltage wiring. This is an easy do-it-yourself project. It comes with basically 2 screws that you can mount it to a wall, a surface, or your home. And then, like you can see here, you have the 2 zones. You can just hook it up. It has a reset button at the bottom, and then it just plugs in. And so you can see here that this just then will connect here. And there it is. It just sits there. And then you plug it into the normal wall socket like you normally would do, and you're ready to go. What makes this one really nice is it's Wi-Fi enabled. And so Google Assist, Alexa, all work with it. It also works on an app on your phone, which you can do all kinds of things for each zone. You can schedule it. You can say at sunrise, I want it to go off. At sunset, I want it to go on. You could set it an hour before sunrise, an hour after sunrise. You can adjust it any which way you want to go on and off, and each zone works separately. Or if you just want to, you can go there and say, I'm sitting out front, I want lighting, and hit light, and it turns on. So you can do that, or of course Google Assist or Alexa work as well for it. So this is a really nice transformer for that. It's 300 watts. I'll put a link in the description below if you're looking for that for this summer. Low voltage wiring and things like that come with it. This is really the easiest do-it-yourself project you've ever done. If you're paying for lighting to be done on your house, for low voltage lighting like this, stop doing that. It's going to cost you thousands of dollars to get the lighting put in, and you can do it yourself. Very easy. So that's it. Subscribe to my channel. Super thanks is always welcome, and we'll see you next time.